Embrace 4 picturesque seasons in this stylish, elevated ranch-style home in Johnston's prized cul-de-sac of Macera Farm Road. Pull into the integral 2-car garage and follow the manicured front walk up to the main entry. You arrive at the main floor's elegant and open chef's kitchen and dining room with a skylighted vaulted ceiling. An impressive center island with a second sink and 2 sides of bar seating delights family and guests. Hardwood floors continue in the spacious living room, offering large casement windows for light and fresh air. Both rooms feature sliding doors with walkout access to the rear deck for al fresco dining overlooking the expansive grounds. Stairs lead you down to the lush backyard surrounded by mature trees and lending a bonus shed. As you segue down to the lower level, you discover a finished and easily customized living area with another full kitchen in a similar design to create a sociable place to relax. A modern full bath and an array of 2 additional comfortable bedrooms with pleasing sunlight let you rest and recharge. In the town of Johnston, families enjoy active leisure time spent at the nearby Snake Den State Park. With all this natural splendor, you'll have only a 10-minute drive to Providence's fabulous Federal Hill and the West End, an area teeming with trending restaurants, world-class Italian fare, bustling farmers markets, and unique bars. Downtown Providence is home to Waterfire and commuter rail trains to Boston and beyond. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Ramiro and Sizo at area code 646-275-4542.